Okay, this is my Uniden SDS100 scanner, and I'm going to show you how to get the analyzer feature running. Now what I have to do, I have all my favorites shut off just for this demonstration. So, lower button on the side, press it once, and I'm going to go up to the top. I know you can't see it, but it says set scan selection and something I want to monitor. I'm going to go down and turn on SciNet over in Buffalo, Canadian Niagara Power, and this one. Okay, these are three of my favorites lists that I'm turning on. So I'll press this a couple times, 3, and it's going to load those favorites. Okay, they're loaded now, and they're going to scan. And now, what I want to do is press the bottom button again on the left-hand side. Go down to Analyze. Hit Analyze. Go to LCN Finder. Push the button down here. Down once. Now I can type in SciNet or one of the other ones, favorite lists I have turned on, or just push this button. Okay, push this button down. And the favorite lists that I just turned on are right there. So I want a LCN Finder on SciNet. So I press the button again, down. And these are the towers. So you have to pick one tower, okay? You can only do one tower at a time. So I'll go down to this one, HSBC South Buffalo, and I'll push this button down again. And there it is. Now it's searching for LCNs, and it tells you right there it's found none of 7. It's telling you what kind of system it is up there. Frequency down here, the tower, and you just let it run. Depending on how busy the system is and how much traffic, it could take a few minutes to find all 7 of the frequencies, LCNs, or it could take hours or days. You just have to let it run. You can see up here I've got a good signal. It flashes off and on. So we'll just let it go. Maybe it'll find one. It's 8 o'clock at night, so this system isn't really busy by the looks of it. But we'll let her go, see if I can catch one of them. And if I tried this during the day, in the morning, it'd probably work a lot faster. This is something you can turn on and let go all night long while you're sleeping. If you leave the house, turn it on when you're gone shopping or something. And very slowly, right now, it's searching, but it hasn't found anything. But it does work. Now, here's another way of doing this. And I'll back out, okay? Go back. If you don't have a favorites list, what you can do is go back here, manage full database. Okay, that's all set up, alright, so I won't do that. Manage favorites, enter. And these are all the favorites I have. I can turn on any of these or turn them off. Alright, so I'm going to go up and shut off all my favorites lists. Go up here to monitor, and all I'm going to do is turn on the full database at the top. Okay, see at the top there, full database. I'm going to turn that on, and I'm going to load it. Now I've got this set at 50 miles, okay? So it's going to load the database 50 miles out, Pennsylvania. And this is good because you can pick from the database, the full database, of what you want to analyze with the LCN Finder. And I'll show you how to do that. Just about done. Now, I've got the full database turned on in my scanner. Okay, let's go back down to Analyzer. Push the top button here, LCN Finder. Wait a second. Now I can type it in, but I'm not going to do that. All I'm going to do is push this top button. Now, all the systems from the database, the master database, are right there for you to pick for the analyzer. They're all in here. And all you do is pick one of them. This one. This is CN Tower or Scarborough. I'll press CN and Tower, and there you go. And that's how easy it is to use this feature. And I can assure you it does work. As I said, depending on how busy the system is and how big the system is, sometimes you get the LCNs right away, other times it can take hours or days. So I hope this answers some of your questions about this feature. And go ahead and mess with it. But that's a good way of doing it. Bring up all the systems. You don't have to type anything in. So again, I hope this has helped you. Enjoy your scanner.